The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in northwestern Minnesota, northern Beltrami County, southern Lake of the Woods County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gatsky to Oaks Corner, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grigla, Gatsky, Malcolm, Carve, Gates Corner, and Oaks Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.